Step into the heart of Boston's student life at Harrington Housing Reservoir Towers, your centrally located student haven. Offering a variety of well-ventilated, fully furnished, non-ensuite apartments, this residence stands out as a popular choice among students. Step into generously designed rooms featuring dedicated study stations, spacious wardrobes, and large windows for a refreshing breeze. Enjoy your downtime with complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi, catching up on your favorite shows from the comfort of your bed. Beyond your room, discover inviting spaces like a comfortable lounge area for socializing with friends. Fitness enthusiasts can make use of the gym for a robust workout, and after class, unwind by the swimming pool. Centrally situated in Boston, Reservoir Towers is in close proximity to prestigious institutions like Boston University and Harvard Business School. Indulge in culinary delights at nearby restaurants such as Gyro City or Burro Bar Brookline, offering Greek and Mexican cuisine respectively. For a night out, explore Cityside Tavern or Porterbelly's Pub with friends. Reservoir Towers' prime location also ensures easy access to public transportation options like South Street Station, Chestnut Hill Avenue Station, and Chiswick Road Station are within a short walk or miles reach. Begin the journey to your dream student life by booking your stay at Harrington Housing Reservoir Towers Boston via emberstudent.com today.